Hello YouTube, FrankTastic here, and in this video I am going to be showing how to remove the stock dark smoke spoiler on the ICON AirFlite and how to add the new one that you ordered, if you ordered one. I don't know. But first, before I do that, I obviously need to clean this. Oh my goodness, this is dirty. So what I recommend for a mirrored visor like this is water. If you use a chemical bottle like this to put your water in, make sure you completely wash and rinse this out multiple times, because you don't want any chemicals that's in the bottle to get on the visor and it ruin your visor, because there's some chemicals out there that can eat at the tint on your mirrored visor and you don't want that. I've had it happen and it's not cool. And I also prefer a microfiber rag. But let's get started on cleaning this and cleaning my GoPro mount. The GoPro's not actually in it. I do advise you to remove your GoPro before you actually start washing and cleaning the housing, because you don't want water and moisture to get in there. Let's go ahead and start washing. But this process will take multiple times to do. Spray on the water, wipe, try to get as much off as you can, and if you need to, spray on more water, and rinse and repeat, pretty much. Alright, so I think that looks pretty good, pretty clean. And if you ride your bike as much as I do, and you wear the helmet as much as I do, once you actually clean your visor, you may find some spots that looks like there's a bug on it. But if you look close enough, you can actually see that it's not a bug. It's probably where a small pebble or some road debris popped up and hit the windshield. And that's what I have right here. I know you can't see it on the camera, but there's a spot right here where my finger is that looks like a bug from the side. But if you look close to it, you can see that it's just damage from like probably a small pebble popped up and hit my windshield. But I would much rather it hit the windshield instead of my face. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe my GoPro case, especially where the lens is. Just get that clean and get that out of the way. I'm going to remove my mic cord off of it. I did have it sitting inside while I was wiping the visor down because I didn't want any water to get on it. Put your rag up, because you really don't want to, if you already washed your visor, there's really no need to get it wet again. Just like 1-2 sprays, that's all it really takes. Take your rag, just wipe it off. And there we go. I now have a clean GoPro case, GoPro housing, especially where the lens is. That's where you really want to get clean. And now I'm going to be showing you how to remove this. I know the lighting isn't too good, but hopefully the camera captures everything that you need to see. What you want to do is from the side, you want to grab the side and just pull. It's going to be hard, and you might be thinking you're gonna break something, but you won't. This is how it's designed. But you want to grab and you just want to pull. See, it pulls. You just pull it, it comes off. Now this sticky stuff is adhesive that is on there. You don't have to worry too much about that. Now when you have your side piece off, I've seen a method where you pull this side off and you pull the other side off, but I'm trying something different. I'm trying to see if my own method works. When you pull a side off, just keep pulling all the way through. Got this off. Now just this side that's gonna get off. Now remember, there's going to be adhesive there, so the side is a little bit harder to get off, but just kind of keep working your way down, keep pulling, and boom, it is now off. Now the other method, like I said, you pull one side off, then the other side, and then the middle. If you want to try that, you can, but I did it this way because it just seemed easier. If you want to try it this way, go ahead. Don't be afraid to give it a pull, but make sure you're pulling from the spot that is actually in. Like if this is loose all the way over here and it's like in the helmet right here, you don't want to be pulling like this because you don't want to snap the piece, because you never know, you might want to put it back on. And now here comes the most exciting part of this video for me anyways. It's opening my new spoiler. But here it is. Now here comes the tricky part. I haven't actually done this myself. The new spoiler that you order comes with adhesive on the sides to replace the adhesive that the stock one that you take off kind of comes off of. In case you were not too sure on which way it goes on, you can always take your stock spoiler and kind of compare it. Just line them up, see what it looks like, and then just pretty much make sure the icon, because it says icon right here. You can't really see it on the camera, but it says icon right here. Icon would be on top, and you would be able to read it if you were standing behind the helmet. Just push it in. No need to worry about a thing. I lined this one up before I actually push it in. I want to make sure both sides is lined up correctly. There's a little clip on the bottom of the spoiler that kind of goes in a little slot right here. You think you have it all lined up, just press it down on the clips, down on the clips, and there you go. There's a clip here, there's a clip here. Make sure it's lined up properly on both sides all the way around, and then with the adhesive being right here, you just want to kind of smash it in, you know, a good 5, 10, 15 seconds, something like that. Make sure the adhesive gets on the helmet and actually sticks. That's pretty much it. I mean, there's nothing else I can really show you about that. I need to put that back in there.